Ladies and gentlemen, did you know that after the age of 60, your body begins to lose nearly 3 to 5% of its muscle mass every decade? This may sound small, but over the years it builds up into a devastating loss of strength and independence. And here's something even more alarming. Every single hour, two seniors suffer a fall, and one of them loses the ability to walk independently. Not because of accidents, not even just because of aging, but because of something far more silent and dangerous: muscle loss. Doctors call this condition sarcopenia, and it is quietly stealing strength from millions of seniors worldwide. The frightening truth is that this weakness doesn't just limit movement, it threatens independence, balance, and even survival. For decades, we have all been told that the answer to maintaining strength is simple: eat eggs. Eggs were praised as the gold standard of protein, a complete food that could build muscle and preserve vitality. But now modern research has revealed a shocking twist. While eggs do contain protein, relying on them alone after the age of 60 can actually accelerate muscle decline. Studies show that eggs may not provide enough of the critical amino acid leucine, the very trigger that older muscles need to activate growth. This means that while you may be eating your eggs every morning, your muscles may still be shrinking by nearly 30% faster than those who consume more targeted sources of protein. This is why so many seniors find themselves weaker year after year, even though their diets don't seem to change. But here's the good news, and it is powerful. There exists one natural food, not a pill, not a powder, not a supplement, and not even meat, that contains more usable protein than eggs, and has been scientifically proven to restore muscle strength by over 34% in just 10 weeks. It is inexpensive, overlooked, and humble. That food is none other than lentils. Lentils may look simple, but they are one of the most underrated protein-packed superfoods for seniors. 1 cup of cooked lentils delivers about 18 grams of protein, 3 times the protein of a single egg. More importantly, lentils are incredibly rich in leucine, the amino acid that seniors desperately need more of to overcome anabolic resistance, the age-related condition that makes it harder for the body to turn protein into muscle. But lentils go far beyond protein. They are loaded with magnesium and potassium, 2 minerals that directly support muscle contraction, reduce stiffness, and prevent painful nighttime cramps that so many seniors wake up struggling with. They are also rich in fiber and iron, which not only improve digestion and circulation, but also ensure that oxygen is delivered efficiently to muscles, keeping them strong and energized. The science behind lentils is even more compelling. A 2020 study published in the Journal of Gerontology found that seniors who added lentils to their diets just 3 times per week improved lower body strength and stair climbing ability by 18% in only 10 weeks, even without changing their exercise habits. That means that with nothing more than this simple addition to your meals, you could rise from a chair with ease, climb stairs with confidence, and walk without the fear of falling. Think about that for a moment. Restoring independence and vitality could be as simple as a spoonful of lentils. Using lentils to protect your muscles is easy. Eating 3/4 to 1 cup of cooked lentils 2 to 3 times per week is enough to see measurable changes in strength. Red lentils are especially helpful because they cook in only 15 minutes, making them perfect for quick meals. Cook them in water or broth, and after cooking, add a squeeze of lemon juice. Why lemon? Because vitamin C dramatically boosts the absorption of iron, which enhances oxygen supply to your muscles. And here's a small but powerful trick. Always store cooked lentils in a sealed glass container with a drizzle of olive oil. This prevents them from drying out and keeps their protein and nutrients fully usable for your body. Now picture this in your own life. Instead of struggling to steady yourself against the wall, you stand tall and walk forward with confidence. Instead of waking up with painful cramps, you open your eyes to a body that feels rested and strong. Instead of feeling your independence slipping away, you feel your power returning, one meal at a time. This is what lentils can do, not just for your muscles, but for your freedom. And the benefits don't stop at strength. Lentils also support joint health by reducing stiffness, improve heart function by lowering cholesterol, and strengthen bones with their mineral-rich content. They also stabilize nerve signals, helping your coordination and balance, which means fewer stumbles, fewer falls, and more confidence in every step. In short, lentils do not just feed your muscles, they protect your whole body and your independence. There's one more secret that can make this even more effective. Pairing lentils in your weekly diet with Greek yogurt before bed creates a powerful combination. Here's why. Lentils fuel your muscles during the day, but Greek yogurt, with its slow-digesting casein protein, protects your muscles from breaking down overnight. While you sleep, your body goes hours without food, but Greek yogurt keeps your muscles nourished throughout the night. Together, lentils and Greek yogurt form a protective shield against sarcopenia, stopping muscle loss in its tracks. My friends, this is not about chasing youth. This is about independence, dignity, and freedom. It is about being able to walk without fear, lift without struggle, and live without limits. Every spoonful of lentils is more than food. It is a step back towards strength, confidence, and peace of mind. And that choice is in your hands right now. Now I want to hear from you. Tell me in the comments below, what changes have you noticed in your strength after turning 60? And what's your favorite high-protein food? At the Seniors Hub, we reply to every comment with personalized tips because your story could inspire another senior to take action today. So don't just listen, share your journey because together we can build a stronger, healthier, and more confident community of seniors. My dear friends, your strength, balance, and independence are not gone forever. They can be rebuilt, meal by meal, choice by choice. Now I want to hear from you. Tell me in the comments below, what changes have you noticed in your strength after 60? And what is the one food you rely on for energy? At the Seniors Hub, we read and reply to every comment with personalized tips because your story might be the very encouragement another senior needs to take back their health. So scroll down, share your wisdom, and join this community of strong, resilient seniors. Together, we are not just surviving, we are thriving. And if you found this message valuable, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the Seniors Hub, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our weekly health and strength tips. Your journey to living stronger, longer, and healthier begins right here.